Attorney Jeff, sa pagtataya ninyo, ilang libo pong mga pasahero ang
Nadagdag.
kanina 1.5 million passengers na from last week hanggang ngayong araw na to sa mga ports. Diyan po sa airport natin, mga gaano karaming tao na po ang dumagsa?
Well, we're forecasting, no, from December 9 to January 5. We're around 4.3 million passengers, no. But current adjustment, I think we have to adjust that upwards kasi last December 21, 2024, natala namin yung pinakamaraming pasahero talaga. Yeah, I mean, this is a record passenger throughput for NAIA. Around 161,108 passengers yung dumaan sa ating airport, no? Uh, yung forecast lang namin doon is around 143,422.
So plus
So,
20K passengers po.
yes po, medyo
Oo.
madami po talaga yung dumadaan sa ating airports ngayon, no?
Oo.
Oo.
And this is both,
Actually,
I'm sorry sir, both local and international na po yung total na yan.
yes po, both international and domestic flights po. Medyo mas marami lang po ng konti yung domestic flight at around 81,000. Yung international is around 79,000 passengers po.
Sa ngayon po, wala namang pila dito, especially yung mga papalabas po ng bansa. Mas doon tayo nagkakapila sa immigration natin. Wala naman pong problema dito sa mga terminals natin?
Dun lang po sa may Terminal 3 po, no, we saw a little bit of build-up
Mhm.
sa ating immigration clearance. But that is expected po, no? Naglabas na rin naman po ng announcement or ng release si immigration na they would strive to have their immigration counters fully manned. But it's just really the ano lang po talaga dagsa ng tao po, no? So currently po nagdadagdag naman po tayo ng immigration counters, no? So hopefully by next year, next holiday season, mas iikli or may ibsan na po yung pila dyan sa immigration counters
Oo,
natin.
oo. So sa Terminal 3, dahil pa rin po dun sa immigration line, at hindi pa rin, kumbaga, hindi lahat ng windows may tao sa ngayon.
Opo.
Mhm.
Ngayon, medyo madami po talaga kasi.
Oo,
Kung
oo.
tutuusin po.
Oo, pero
Opo.
hindi pa po dapat na-anticipate na talaga yan kasi every Christmas season, gano'n naman po ang nangyayari, attorney.
Yes po. That's why po naglabas naman po si immigration na no leaves are allowed, no?
Mhm,
So
mhm.
nag-announce na po sila and all counters should be manned. Ang ano lang po talaga dyan is of course, unlike other countries po talaga, tayo po kasi yung departure clearance po talaga ng ating mga kababayan. Binabantayan din po yan ng immigration. So, nandyan po talaga yung isa sa mga pila natin, no? Or yung longest touch point as far as yung airport experience ng ating mga pasahero are concerned.
Oo. Kanina, attorney, yung binanggit niyo na 100, more than 160,000 passengers. Ito po yung papasok at palabas. Pareho na po yan?
Yes po.
Oo.
Both po yan, sir. Ay, both po yan, ma'am, no?
Oo.
Both incoming and outgoing passengers po yan.
Dito po sa mga incoming passengers natin, sa mga foreigners, anong lahi po ang pinakamarami ang gustong ma-experience ang Pasko ng Pilipinas?
Ma'am Chacha, we don't have that data as of the
Mhm.
moment.
Mhm.
Oo, kasi I think that data would come a bit later pa.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
for the meantime po, what we are able to capture is just the arrivals in general and the
Oo.
departures. So, but rest assured po, ma'am, once we receive or once we have the data available, we would make sure that everybody receives it po.